Hello my dear subscribers and respected YouTube viewers. In this video, we will create an exquisite and stylish handbag that will surely attract attention. Take a look at this beautiful bag that we will make. Where to start in making the bag, what techniques to use, and how to achieve an excellent result. If you like handmade items created with soul and skill, this video is especially for you. Before moving on to the materials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and support me with your comments. For making the bag, I used the following materials. Now on the screen, there are two transparent pieces for the bag. They form its front and back parts. On the sides are two golden handles which will give the bag elegance and style. Here I have 500 grams of beads. They will completely form the pattern and shape of our bag. Let's continue. Now on the screen is line number 7. It is necessary for connecting the beads. I carefully unwrap the line and show it to you up close. The next item is the strap for the bag. For wearing on the shoulder, I chose a gold chain. I am showing it now. This is an elegant and stylish detail. Back to the beads. I am showing 500 grams of beads again. They are bright, shiny, and fully ready to work. Now we move on to the most interesting part. I start threading the beads onto the line. First, I put on one bead and secure it, then add the second one. I continue creating a long chain of beads this way. I work carefully and slowly to form a beautiful pattern. Next, we have the transparent bottom of the bag. I open it slightly to show the hole through which we will thread the fishing line. I will soon explain how to do this. I remove the protective film from the transparent surface. It was needed to avoid scratches. Now I carefully remove it and reveal the shiny surface of the bag. And now our bag is beginning to take shape. In the next step, I will show how to secure the beads. Stay with me. Now I am holding it in my hands to show what it looks like. At this stage, it's important to ensure that the beads are evenly and neatly arranged. I'm starting to create the side parts of the bag. At this stage, it's important to carefully join the sides. Now I am carefully joining the side parts of the bag. At this stage, it is important for the beads to be securely and properly placed. I set each bead with particular care, shaping the form of the bag. We carefully join the front and back parts of the bag with beads, giving it the final shape. Now our bag is almost ready. Then we detail the handles, adding an elegant accent with beads, and the final step, attaching the straps, bringing our work to completion. That's it. Our stylish and elegant handcrafted bag is ready. Now let's move on to the inside of the bag. I add the lining, but do not explain how to sew it, as I have already shown this process in detail before. Now I simply take the ready-made lining and carefully insert it inside, and I finish the inside of the bag. If you are interested in how exactly the lining is sewn, there is a detailed explanation of this process on my channel. You can find this video among my works and learn all the details. How do you like our bag? I am definitely looking forward to your comments. Your opinion is very important to me. Thank you for your support.